Generally, people take these off before they disassemble the engine, but
we didn't do that. That's going to be messy.
I'm going to take it over to
the thing.
The oil pan.
Goop.
I mean, I'll mix it with the other goop.
It's a goop mix. Not much in there. Oh, that's nasty looking stuff.
Everything's been cleaned now, though, so...
Except that.
Yeah, that needs... I'm going to go wash it out.
And one of these. Oh, just pour it. Yeah, just pour it. See what happens. That stuff is this newfangled paint thinner that doesn't thin paint very well. But it sure cleans grease and tools and stuff well. Ugliness.
Did a nice job cleaning in there, though. Can you see in there?
Yeah, I was cleaning tools with it, the greasy tool handles and stuff. It wiped everything off real nice, so I kind of like it for that. But the night I needed paint thinner, it wasn't worth a darn. It was terrible. I had to go buy mineral spirits.
Out of there. Turns nice and smooth, free, no end play. I'm happy with it.
It was probably new when they... I don't know. This engine was supposedly just run a short amount of time, and I don't know why it came apart. I don't know what the malfunction was. And I think the head we have is not the head that went on this engine. I think it's another head.
Looks good. I think it'll pump oil.
Let's hope so.
Well, isn't it great? Chrysler's got the 5.
Yeah, Pentastar on the oil pump. And we'll run it for a short time and then change the oil right away.
Yeah, I mean, there's nothing in there that's gonna damage an engine. It's.
I don't know. One of the things I've always done is changed oil.
No,
I'm right, like an hour.
I'm
maybe.
Fine with changing oil right away, but I mean, there's nothing in here that's gonna.
Like the cam brake in.
Particles.
Cam brake in. Change the oil.
Yeah. Pour just a little more regular oil in there again.
Regular oil.
Regular oil.
Versus irregular oil.
Versus irregular.
Do you have the gasket for that handy?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Yeah, I do. Just want to make sure there's no big...
If you don't, we'll go get a cereal box.
I'm not putting cereal boxes on the oil pump gasket.
And cut out a gasket. We did it on your Slant. Well, we did it for the... What did we do it for? Oh, the fuel pump.
Yeah.
I made a gasket.
Hasn't leaked yet.
Oh, it won't either. Cereal box makes a nice gasket for that.
You gonna get in there and radius the insides of these oil ports?
No. Not now.
There's
maybe before we put it together.
There's enough oil flow.
Yeah, there'll be enough oil flow.
I'm getting the gasket.
The gasket.
Oh, okay, here we go. Box of gaskets.
Box of gaskets right next to the box full of mosquito spray. Mm-hmm. We go through mosquito spray. Man, do we go through mosquito spray. What's the difference? Oh, I see what the difference.
This ear is different.
Yeah, it is. Its ears are different.
Got different ears.
You want to put a little oil on that gear, or do you? We can get it from the top, which would make more sense.
Did we get the torque?
No, I'm gonna have to get the torque. Stand by. It's 200 inch-pounds. So you're gonna torque it to factory specs.
So you hold the wrench here. Click. There you go. That's how you know. Click.
You think that's 200 inch-pounds?
Click. Well, you do it halfway first.
Oh, okay.
Click. So make sure I got them all order here. Click. Click. Whoa, that one's the one I forgot about. Click. Ow. You could tell I'm using the inch-pounds one because it hurts on your pinky finger. See?
So this time, you've had back surgeries in the past, so what you do is you pull that until your back goes click.
Ow! Ooh. This is aluminum housing, so you do got to be easy on it. But you'll know if you didn't do it right because it'll leak. Click. All right.
Did you get all of them?
I don't know. I'm going to go back and check now that we're not filming anymore.
Yeah, just put a light. 2, 3, 4. This one.
Which one? This one?
No, one closer to you. That one. Okay.
They're good. I think that we got to be done for tonight because
Okay.
I'm pretty sure that the timing cover needs hosed out.
Hosed out.
Yeah.